Gang, 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 gang. Here we are back at it. We're opening more Pokemon cards. God is good. Beautiful morning this morning. Woke up at 9:30. A little frog in my throat. Starting to wonder when it's going to stop ribbiting. I know you love me. Hey, that's fire. Is that Lance, dude? That's fucking tight. Let's get the light on that. Let's get the light on that. Damn. We got Lance out here, dude. Come on. God is good. You got that Lance card. I want to be careful. That's like a pretty fucking sweet card. Anyway, comment. How's your day today? Yeah. Any realizations about life?